Okay, so the ORB just closed. So, uh, so the first 15 minutes of the market just ended, and obviously my first strategy is to look into ORB, and in the second one, as I look for the ORB to appear, I'm looking into seeing if I see other patterns either on the long or the short side. My goal today is to make $3,000. So let's put this on a 15-minute. You see, this is our ORB level. Okay, I was short here.
Order filled.
Let's make it. Let's look at smaller time frames. Let's look at 5 minutes. So we just broke the ORB. I would put a
Stop fill.
stop fill there. Okay. I have this indicator here, so I knew there is going to be a potential reversal. What I will do, looking at 5 minutes, it's a free fall. I will wait for this candle to close and then decide what I want to do. I kind of got late into this order. If I weren't looking at the ORB, this is really would have been the area that I would have shorted, and I would have waited until it touched this white line. But oh well. It's easier to talk after the fact, isn't it? Let's look at 1 minute again. I would go long here,
Stop filled.
and then one here.
Stop filled.
And then market money.
Order filled.
And then I'll put the stop. One there.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Okay, I have one open position now. This one I kind of let it go unless I see a bearish shape forming. Volume is okay. Okay. Put a stop here. This is still can't fly. Let's put bottom of this. I'm not one of those traders that put a chart, put a zone and say, this is my target to buy, this is my target to sell. I can't. If other people are successful doing that, good for them, but it's just not my strong suit. What I do is dynamic. As I look at the chart, I make a decision whether I want to go long, short, and I change my, I do trail, take profit and a stop loss. So I can't, I'm, in other words, I don't say, if it hits this price, I go long, and then I want to take profit here. It's easier said than done. I know for a fact I don't have the mental um, strength or the what is it? Testicular fortitude, as Dr. David Paul says, um, to anticipate. So now, if this goes higher, I try to bring my stop that shit. That's okay. Most likely our stop will get hit, and I'm totally fine with that. Bring this a little higher.
Stop filled.
Okay, our stop got hit. So far we have $660 profit. That's low. I think we did a lot for little. The thing with the way I trade is, I really don't want to get lucky, because I've said this a lot of times. When you get lucky once, that's good, but if you continue to get lucky every now and then, that gives you false confidence. That's really destructive. Let's look at 5 minutes, see how we are forming. Okay, so let's look at 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, we know this was what? This was 9. Huh? Okay, so this is a 945. So if we go above this, chances are that we are going to go higher. If we go below this, chances are we go lower. You see, that's how we play the orbit strategy. Open range breakout. That's my first goal of the day. Like if you were to go fishing, or as a matter of fact, any of the games, right? You have a goal, and you say, this is the first thing I want to do. The low hanging fruit is this to pick. The second, the third. Similarly, for trading, it's like that. So on a 15-minute, we are forming bullish again. Then we, 5 minutes. Not so sure yet. But that's a strong comeback. Just look at the body of this candle. We went all the way down. So this candle itself is 50 points. Yeah. I think I could have done better with my orders today, but that's okay. Let's see what other opportunities the market will give us. Let's look at 1 minute. Higher high, lower low. No, this is what, 1 minute. So equal low, higher low, higher low, higher high, higher high. Neutral, not that high. So we'll see here. Now this is the area that market rejected before. You see this? But now we came back with a lot more force. So unless there is a huge seller up here, we are going to go higher. I'm gonna put a limit order there.
Stop filled.
Okay, we got filled. I'm just going to be ready. So today is one of those rare days that you see orb break above and below on both sides. Let's say I want to stop here. Just to mitigate my risk. Honestly, I'll go break even. A little slightly above break even. Because as I'm looking at on another chart, I see that we broke below and then above and then below. And then we are back above the ORB. So we could flip again. I just don't want to get injured in the crossfire. Cumulative volume is looking okay. Slightly higher. My dog is here. Mason, stop.
Stop filled.
I told you to stop it. It stopped here. Yeah, we are hitting some resistance here. But we are still above orb, so it's a strong move on the upside. If we go below this, I'm going to short, so let's put a short order here. Oh, the buyers are pushing. Like analysts, is one big seller here. I think we're going to go higher. Yeah, I don't like how this candle is trying to. This was this thing going down. Okay. I'm going to put 2 more. I put 3 here. Let's see how we do. Yeah, my dog is going and coming back. Mason, what is it? I see some weakness forming. But my bearish narrative is no longer valid with this green candle right here. So I'm going to make this 3 and just wait for an opportunity. In fact, I missed this. This was a bullish pennant. So we just closed the 4-hour candle. 4-hour candle. It's not showing here. Let's Let's look at the form. This. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 10 a.m. We have already gapped up 15 points. Okay, this is interesting. Let's see, first red candle, I'm going to short below that if I see opportunity. It has to be lower than this, obviously. But you see the way that candle is forming is telling me that there are still a lot more buyers than sellers, aggressive buyers. And then same thing now, more sellers. Because you see how it's resisting, it's blinking. Okay. I would put a short order here. And my stop would be top of this, of course, like a dollar or two above.
Stop filled.
Okay, we are in the shorts. And now I try to bring this lower because I want to capture some profit. We patiently wait. Let's move this back up. I have a feeling this is going to give us our profit target today. It's 10:04. Should. First green. I think my stop loss is right this moment is at a very obvious level, so I'm going to make it a couple of points higher. Oh, somebody asked why do I do that? Because that's where the masses are, right? The algo is created to be efficient and take liquidity sweeps on each side. Okay, now I'm going to bring this lower. Lower, that's right. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so we are resisting at the orb level really at this point. Bring this lower. I'm going to bring this lower.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're out. Okay, 2,380. Not bad. I want to do more, but I'm not going to chase the shorts here. So we got 1,100. Really? Yeah. I think I could have managed that better, but I'm also looking at the ORB level. So if you look at the 15-minute time frame, we resisted a lot here. So this is our first 15 minutes of the day. As we got to this level, we resisted a little bit. We went a little higher, and then as soon as we went a little back lower, I put my take profit there. So net profit is 2,345. My goal for the first hour of the day is to make $3,000. It really is 2,739 because that gives me my annual expected amount. But yeah, that's the goal. Okay, I'm looking. There's a potential reversal opportunity. May not be that big, but it could give us a couple of $100. Cumulative volume is 900, so let's see. If this kind of closes green, then I'll form my next move. For now, it's free fall. There's an opportunity, but we'll see. You see, I don't put it right at the top of that, slightly higher, because mass has put your orders there. So let's see.
Stop filled.
Okay, we're in. I put my stop loss right here. I just hit my profit target.
Stop filled.
I almost hit my profit target. Dang it. Okay, back we buy up off.
Stop filled.
Okay. I think I bought in the wrong spot because let's just get out.
Order filled.
Because we are right at the orb level. So could it break? Yeah. But it could take some time. I don't want and this dog is sleeping anywhere he goes. Okay, I'll put a buy order here. We just broke the ORB level, but it's so another 4 minutes and we will have a new direction, either continuation or reversal. I would be looking for right now. I don't see any forms, but if it closes green, still bullish. Where do I see the orb level? So I'm only sharing on the video. I can only share record one screen, right? I have another chart that has the first 15-minute brackets, so I can see that visually and decide whether or not take a position. So in this one, when I realized that we are resisting the the ceiling of the ORB, I decided that I would want to be out of that position because I didn't want to see this. I mean, this is not bad. We could have gotten out and made some profit in any of these candles, but I did not want to be. I didn't want to risk. I didn't feel comfortable. Five minutes look bullish, but I'm gonna give it a couple of more minutes. I'll take one more trade for the day and I'm done with futures. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. You guys hear them snore? Probably take just one small position. Gross profit 2.5, 10 trades, 90% profitable trades. Good. Alright guys, I think I'm done. I'm calling it a day. There may be opportunities on the short side in the next few minutes, but I have a few things to do. So all the best enjoy your day. Cheers.